Want to program a new or existing key fob for your 2000 to 2006 Toyota Camry? Good news, it's a simple process you can do yourself, saving money on dealership fees. This method works because these models use a vehicle-initiated synchronization. You will need the key that starts the car and the key fob you wish to program. Make sure that the battery in the key fob is good, a CR2032. Go to a secure area to prevent accidental locking. First, insert the key into the ignition. Turn the key to the on position, but don't start the engine for about 5 seconds, then turn it back to off. Repeat this on-off cycle several times. Some models need 3 to 5 cycles, others 5 to 10. This puts the car into programming mode. You'll know you've entered programming mode when the door locks cycle automatically. Next, press any button on the key fob, like lock or unlock, to sync it with the car's system. The car should respond by cycling the locks again, confirming the programming. Test the fob to make sure it's working properly. If it doesn't work the first time, repeat the process from the beginning. DIY success is high, but factors like vehicle age and electrical issues can complicate things.